Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You know, we're always looking for ways to be our most productive selves, to squeeze the most out of our 24 hours, right? Well, today, we're diving into some common morning habits that might be sabotaging your day before it even starts. That's right, these seemingly harmless habits could be the reason you're feeling sluggish, unmotivated, and just not performing at your best. So stick around, because we're about to uncover these productivity killers and, more importantly, how to replace them with powerful habits for success. Okay, let's be real. Who hasn't hit that snooze button a few hundred times? It's so tempting to steal a few extra minutes of sleep, but trust me, those few minutes are actually working against you. When you hit snooze, you're disrupting your natural sleep cycle, confusing your body's internal clock. This can leave you feeling groggy and disoriented, kind of like you're stuck in sleep inertia for way longer. So, instead of waking up refreshed and ready to tackle the day, you're starting off on the wrong foot, feeling more tired than you were before that snooze button. I know, mornings can be hectic, and sometimes breakfast gets pushed aside. But think of it this way, your brain is like a high-performance car, and breakfast is that premium fuel it needs to run smoothly. When you eat breakfast, you're providing your body and brain with the essential nutrients and energy to kickstart your metabolism and focus throughout the day. Skipping breakfast? It's like running that high-performance car on fumes. You're just not going to get optimal performance. We're all glued to our phones these days, but starting your day scrolling through social media or emails can be a recipe for disaster. That constant influx of information, notifications, and comparisons can spike your stress levels before your day even really begins. Instead of easing into your morning mindfully, you're immediately bombarded with distractions, making it harder to focus and prioritize your own goals. So put the phone down, give yourself at least 30 minutes of phone-free time in the morning and see the difference it makes. Chapter 4. Coffee on an empty stomach. Why that's a huge mistake. Coffee is life, but drinking it first thing can be harmful. It increases stomach acidity, causing heartburn and indigestion, even stomach ulcers. Plus, it messes with cortisol, the stress hormone, making you anxious and jittery. Have it with breakfast or after eating. Chapter 5. Wake up and hydrate. Why water is your morning MVP. After a long night's sleep, your body is naturally dehydrated, so it's crucial to replenish those fluids first thing in the morning. Drinking a large glass of water right when you wake up helps kickstart your metabolism, flushes out toxins, and improves brain function. Think of it like giving your body a refreshing internal shower. Plus, staying hydrated throughout the day keeps your energy levels up, improves digestion, and even benefits skin health. Chapter 6. Slow down. Why rushing is ruining your day before it starts. We've all been there, frantically rushing out the door, feeling stressed and overwhelmed before the day even begins. That constant rushing not only increases your stress levels, but also sets a chaotic tone for the rest of the day. It's like you're already playing catch-up before you've even had a chance to breathe. Instead of rushing, try waking up a little earlier to give yourself ample time to get ready at a relaxed pace. Chapter 7. Plan your day for success. The power of a 5-minute morning routine. Taking just a few minutes each morning to plan your day can make a world of difference in your productivity and focus. Whether you prefer a physical planner or a digital to-do list, prioritize your tasks, set realistic goals, and break down larger projects into smaller, more manageable steps. This simple act of planning creates a roadmap for your day, reducing overwhelm and allowing you to approach your work with intention and clarity, ultimately boosting your productivity and reducing that end-of-day stress. Chapter 8. Start your day with positivity. The way you talk to yourself matters, especially first thing in the morning. Instead of focusing on flaws, try positive affirmations. Tell yourself, I am capable, I am worthy, or today will be a great day. Consistently feeding your mind with positive affirmations can shift your mindset and boost your confidence. Take control of your mornings. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Your morning routine sets the tone for your day. Avoid bad habits and embrace positive ones. Fuel your body with a nutritious breakfast. Embrace a mindful morning routine. You've got this.